Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you are new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, DIY and sometimes crocheting videos. Welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes once again. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it for notification. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this super easy, shimmery, smoky eye with a pop of color. And if you're interested, then please keep on watching. To begin with, I'm going to apply Lakme's iconic Kajal pencil as my smoky eye base, and I'm going to apply that. You don't have to be precise with this because we are going to anyway blend it out. So apply a good thick coat of Kajal and with a small blending brush blend it all well till the natural crease. And it looks a little harsh while I'm blending, but it's not that harsh. So blend it all well, and once I'm done with that, I'm going to use this Morphe's 35H hotspot palette, and I'm going to use a shade called Wave Maker, and I'm going to apply that on my crease, and I'm going to blend that all well as my transition color. I didn't want to use a brown or a nude color on my as a transition shade. I wanted some blue. And next I'm going to use this beautiful shimmer shade called Yacht Spot, and I'm going to apply that first with my fingers because metallic colors or shimmer colors work well with fingers, and then with a small brush, and I'm going to apply that onto my corners of my eyes to be all precise. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to define my brows with Sugar's brow definer in the shade Cherry Brown. I'm going to brush that all well. I like natural eyebrows. I hope you know that by now. I'm going to apply LA Girl's concealer in the shade Medium Beige to cover my under eye dark circles, and I'm going to blend that well. I keep seeing the camera because I have the habit of slouching and I just go down and down and I go off camera. That's why you see me watching the camera again and again. I'm going to use the same pencil on my upper and low waterline, and I'm going to use the same blue shade, and I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. And once I'm done smoking out my lower lash line, I'm going to apply Balm's Merry Luminizer as my brow bone highlight, and for my inner corner I'm going to apply Colourpop's glitter gel. It's the chunky glitter gel, so it's a beautiful rose gold shade. I'm going to apply some mascara and curl my lashes first, and then apply loads of mascara. You can add falsies if you would like to. You know me by now, I like natural eyebrows, not eyebrows, eyelashes. And this is the final look, you guys. Super easy, shimmery blue smoky eyes with a pop of rose gold in the inner corner. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well, guys. There are many videos on my channel, so do show some love by hitting that subscribe button and showing some love by watching my videos as well. And yeah, please subscribe once again. And till then, love you all, guys. Bye, take care.